In order to set up recurring investments on Cash App, open up the app like you normally would, scroll down, then please go ahead and select on whether you're trying to invest in a cryptocurrency, for example, like Bitcoin or stocks. For this video, let's go ahead and invest in some stocks. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and look for the asset that you want to reoccurringly invest in. So for this video, let's work with the Vanguard S&P 500. So please go ahead and select on it. Then you want to press on this button that says buy. Then you'll see this section that says change order type, and you just want to press on it. And then over here, you're going to see an option that says auto invest. So you can set up daily, weekly, or bi-weekly purchases of the asset. So let's go ahead and select on it. So from here, select how frequently you want to invest, then press on next, and then you need to select on how much you want to invest. So you can invest like $100 every single week or a custom amount. Then you need to press on next, and obviously make sure that you do have sufficient funds in order to fund these investments. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.